Okay, guys. As I've promised you, Gontaya aka live. Ntanta basisa vito ra mehe hi ku ya hi leswi a swi ri ku humeleleni from the last 3 weeks. I hope vo tala they've realized and they've noticed ku swilo a swa ha ri leswi a swi ri swona, you know. So ni lava ku va ka live leyiwani, I just want to show you guys ku I live life, real life. And what I'm going to say here, loko mi kota ku swi vona ku I have nothing against anyone, nothing. I believe na loko okay guys, share live leyiwani ntaleliyo, share live leyiwani. Move me share this live, share, send stars. You can also send stars le henhla ne, and then you can also send stars le henhla. Me share this live. Share this live, ne guys, please. Nikombe me share at least I'm sure one by 50, it will be fine. 50 people, can you please share the live? Just 50. It's fine. Share the live and you can send stars there on top. I'm not going to say let's start talking look number I queen because as I promised go the live 8 o'clock. So and bonus swi na nkoka ku ni kahle ni nghena ka live ku ni ta kota ku tlela, but I'm not okay. But what I'm going to say here, mi ta kota ku swi twisisa ku vutomi byi njhani. I know a lot of people are here, they've gathered here, they're mentioning their friends, they're mentioning their colleagues to come and gather aka lively, expecting me to bully, to beef, to talk bad, you know, because in most cases we gather in large numbers aka live hi langutisele ku vavisana, hi langutisele ku rhuketelana, you know, hi langutisele ku embarrassana, you know, hi langutisele ku poyilana na ku pimapimana na ku vulavulelana hi marito yo twisana ku vava. But I'm here to tell you ku whatever that was happening, I am ni munhu na me, and I get into a point where ni realize swilo, ni analyze swilo, then you go like, okay. But I've picked up 2-3 things and I would like to talk about it as well. I'm going to talk about my friend Gagash. Unpretending and not the conversation, maybe ani you know. I think logo financial and stable, maybe I was na koka kumbe start to komba ku hantlisa ku anga pretend, but I have nothing. So I have this list here, ne? I have this list here. These are the things that I'm going to talk about. For me, Gurman Nasoribal. About Gagash, ne? Gagash is my friend. But the conduct laying up a corner 3 weeks ago, I ain't sang because, you know, as Bilwangan, sometimes we must call each other, check for what's the problem, then how can I help you? You know, sometimes if there's no need, it's a choice, you know. But he's my friend and I will never betray him. There's things that I want to mention here. Say long mysteries is I know people are saying plan wa Fostella. They don't know. I know there are people back then from 2012 till now. From 2012 until now, it's 12 years, you know. Van'wana va ve kona 2015. Many be kona recently, but someone was calling me. Sorry for that thing. What matters, Igu? I know Igu. I know people are saying Philani wa fostela. This is not kind of a friendship. This guy betrayed you and stuff. But I want to tell you things here from the bottom of my heart. Kagash is my friend, and I never had a problem with him. He's my friend. I never had a problem with him. Him bullying me, teasing, all those things that we used to do. Last year, I had a peak where we used to bully each other, chingalana, you know, and it was entertaining because of we were turning those things into videos, into trends, you know. So yeah. So I know there are people who are here to say this, say that. I have got a lot of things that I was supposed to say. But what I'm going to say is wrong here. Whatever. I mean, got problem because whoever lawyer a problem like Kagash, he knows Kagash most of the things are actually right. So I'm here to tell you that doesn't turn him to an enemy. If you don't actually right, look, right, I can say, my friend, I'm actually so. Because Karungal Stiwago is hated. But for me, I know zone the Kagash. The trends the trends at Magatago. A friend, the secret hater. I want to explain that. So I was secret hater. A friend that combela 200. Yeah, and you still want combela 200 queen. Auntie Konga Blume Mara. What I don't know. So let me just get straight into the scripture. The list. His family, Yagagash, they love me so much. The first time Managagash one wall, she cried, she hugged me, she told me straight on the face, Mwananga Granza. So for me, namuntla loko Gagash anivamisile, the problem is Gagash take a Facebook, atafika ablabla me, anganifonelangi the problem leta hlangana to. The problem is that vanhu lava ava n'wi byela ku Philani uri. Yes, Philani uri. Mara he was supposed to consult me. Anke mngala, swilo swi so why? He vulavula hi swona off the Facebook, but itela ka Facebook afika ani kanziela like breaking someone, and you can't fix yourself by breaking someone. Never. Lexi ni endlaka ku ri one reason I ku bond leyi nga na yona na le ka vona Gagash vo sister ha vulavula loko va ku vulavula hi phone va yixeweta va tsaka. His family is happy man, but namuntlha loko se na vulavula ku la ku tsakisa vanhu va le nga va tivi ni ta va na problem. Loko na nga mi onhela Gagash, I know mina ti-issues ta n'wina na yena mi nga katsi me, but mina a no xavelela nchumu ka Gagash. He called me earlier, I think it's 30 minutes ago. He told me exactly what bothered him, that pushes him to say that on socially. And then I've explained it to him, told him, could I have proof? I didn't. Then he went back to Facebook and apologized. Because I think it's his mistake. I know na me, ukwata ka me, enga me. Lola wagan foinela, we this, what jela tak, and blah blah, sutala. And but let me get back to the script. Ne? Gagash, I think you get me. He didn't have a capacity to help me. He didn't have that capacity to say we collaborate and do something together. But when it's come to social media, it tends like as if we are competing. And after that, look, you copy it, I say, Jalan so talatala, let's go right. And then at the end of the day, we have to regret. After look so good damages. Come back, we shall get doing at the end. It I go sorry, say we not damage, like just one second not damage. And I want to damage, but I'm saying you go, so it also like a second not damage. Kagash, I want to tell you this, my friend. Ne? I will never betray you for an man. And I told you one day, the time you met the lady by the name of Charlotte, your wife or your fiancée, I advised you about the relationship you are in now. Remember when we were on the Vitlas, she can attest. If met them, I call her met them. She can attest. And said someone bana problem na mulora nzala kuna hela brahmin. I support you, you know very well. And said someone bana problem. We ngaba no problem yo baby pilana ngaba bulele iskumeles. But I said someone bana problem na ba laba uba ku engaged nabo. I love them the very same way you love me. The very same way I love you. Nimeka shoku. Environment iba sharp. But wena seban batwa nga kumeka we no fostele kagash. And fostele me kawe was still wala we. You know very well. And fostele me la kawe. And fostele me la brahmin. Me anyanti yisu me. And the things lo melu anya ekur ni baso slinga iso karuma na lolo isa kwa man maybe ngabe na ma ani nzala ni mama ti anangala kangi ndlela leyo mara ndubula ku unfostel but comment wako na fostel unfostel nikupfuni ngova vuton'wini kakashi nawe infuni ngova vuton'wini and I can't. You used to bully me about my disability. I never retaliated about the truth. No hleka like nuka na wana normal. Kubana normal and bon normal no runkulu me. No more no more. That's not the disability. But deep down knowing very well kuri, it's affecting me. Akaba labase wana kwenjala one because the next thing ukumaku aka environment leba kwikayo, more special in public, and then when I pila much go no page and stuff. I problem because I gave you that capacity to say that. The problems for kololo kumaku. I would love to see some of the 12 mame. And my 12 mame like gore. Lo when we Mar. Leshinga ni kata problem. We ego. Kubi na trend ya slanya lesha. Mina no ti joke yala because you posted go taba live 8 o'clock. Lo go taba live 8 o'clock. I posted. Not knowing go. When I should come card, I don't know. But ni post me. Logo. HIV this, HIV that, it do well, like as we used to do. But where yeah, figure there's somebody to munsi better. El maritra malo mabia kame. Malbaba fo. Malbaba. I don't want to lie, kagash. Maritumagu incapacity. You've used that word 2 times. You traffic because I ask myself, look, incapacity. Other words like liability. Liability, you need depend on Gofakaban, and also do depend. Milami tell blind. I was supposed to talk things that people was not supposed to know, and I'm not going to say it. It will remain. And the other thing you go, nothing painful and for more than watching people baku gega and all that. Shwaba go for. Lobanga kukundi kuri kuhava xo va ku fana gegiwa because basati komba ku tlhaviwa wena mara va ka tlhavi wena mara ku ri we nga ku tlhavekeni. That's the pain leyi ni feelaka mina gagaxi loko ri na problem. Mina like 4 days ago I told you ku ni kombela ku artist me we should at least include them aka this event na the following event leyi nga ta va na yo this event blah 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 leya sweswiwa na liya ya birthday celebration awe komba ka na problem la we. But when you come to media, you like minanga kunilwa nawe, egagashi nilwa yi nawe. Sho sungul, I'm not living the life you are living, the lifestyle you are living. I'm living like a normal person, and I'm not against what you are doing or to compete with what you are doing. I don't do gigs. I don't drink. Mina, I'm the last person who maybe blah blah blah. Itwangaku ina jealousy itaza kubvo mina I can't because ana jealousy nchumu ka we. People will think nishabelela anishabeleli nchumu ka we le Gagash. I told you nele ka phone call ku ri nishabeleli nchumu but lava ku hi hanyisana kahle. Mina I will never betray you. I will never. Imagine someone saying you are in a secret competition with him, like nileka secret, the secret hater ka we, yet I'm living a different lifestyle. I jealous ya njhani? Ni nga jealous ku nizonda kumbe lendla swilo leswi we nga ri ku fanele phela at least loko mani endla swo fana swa we ya ta swi twisisa because I don't live lifestyle ya we. I'm about Gucci man and I'm discouraging Gucci ta wena. Everything you do in komba na ti-bank ta wena ni komba hinkwaswo swi endlaka swa timali ta wena na loko u ya kaya u endla xilebe you showed me how much money you're going to pay, how much money those guys have requested for you to pay. And mina a ni swi lavi ku ri loko ni ringa ni hanya even ni va ti komba ni nga ku ni fake, I'm fake man. And leswi leswi endlaka ku maybe ni nga fake ku a ni nubyana and a na problem hi ku vanhu va ri yini me because ni hanyela vutomi bya mina a ni hanyeli vanhu me. I think you are too busy my friend to be with someone like me. I kota ku n'wi yingisela ku ri what is that I want. You're too busy maybe just because you have to do your things. Look damburishin. I see people talking whatever that they are talking but again me leswi we nga ku swi endleni kumbe leswi nga swi endla already me swi endlanga ku me hi mina nga na jealous na we. Even your wife loko avo va ko a va ta nghena me demela u kota ku vona va twisisa ku fika kwihi and a ni holovi na vona a ndzi tshama and I'm not here to talk bad whatever and I'm not here to do that but to tell you how much I love you Gagash. Ina vanghana vo tala ngopfu wena loko na vo byala va ku xavela ku mabyala mi endla hinkwaswo va ku sponsoraka and whatever but a friend like me ni twaka ku wa kala just because of I'm loyal ka wena and lexi endlaka ku kuma nkarhi wun'wana a ni vi loyal i mhaka ta maendlelo ma wena loko se ni zama ku kombisa enga leyi i nga ni khonsela yona because hambi ni lava ku lava ku va na nkarhi wo ni ku byela Gagash na nkarhi wa mina a ni hanyeli vanhu mina ku ta komba vanhu yini and a ni discourage leswi we I swi endlaku on a daily basis because everyone u endle leswi a xi lavaka hi nkarhi wa yena but namuntlha i ya ba comment ya ku nsati wa wena vasati van'wanyana wa wena kokainani vasati van'wana des van'wana va beja Betway. I don't know loko va vula me but you used to say that ka me because you know I beja Betway and leswi swi ni vava i ku i tshame i swi vula last hi ri kaya hi ri ka Vitlas i ku wena miyela I think maybe a ni vulavula me dem before wena miyela cause sato wena swa fana nga na nchumu na timovha tingani I na yini maybe a wu titwela byala mara tala mani va and you know at the end of the day when I go home I want to better my life but when I think about this way bya ku nga na nchumu la say what else ni twa ka kona va ku hanyela ni twa nga ri wa ni kandziyela ya Gagash na ku rhandza blind info mara leswi nga le ndlela swona le ya tsakisa vanhu ka Facebook twisisa post ku a friend it's what people now no one won't vibe phela vanhu va ka Malamulele na vo hleva Gagash a nge ku hlevi kambe munhu a nga ta ku byela sweswi a vula wa hi vulavula yini phela mina hi mfolo ku ni kwatile a vulavula I won't lie but I won't lie and even today I even called the twins loko ni ta ri katsa vito ra n'wina because ni boriwe hi leswi na leswi the twins loko va ri kona va ta vula na vona phela ni hi fonerile a ni melemele mina i borile wena Gagash blind ni va fonerile the twins ni va byela ku I'm not happy and the reason why I'm calling you guys I'm for level 2 same time because it's because of I will include your name vito leri ali ya ku ri include there the twins and that include them mhaka ya ku wehe sweswiwani a wa hanwi henisi i mhaka ku ri that day loko ku ta ku endliwe trend ya Mtlomboti na henisi you vete decide line no a wa hanwi henisi i danwa ti wine or ti champagne. Then I knew ku aka leswi nga ta swi tsala tani ya hlamuseta na swona mina I'm not even competing hambi mituku no pfuka na sweswiwani nwa juice ya lithava la leyi ngo xava ka katekani wa mani ni nwa juice ya lithava leyi ngo xava ka katekani wa mani even your wife Kakashi, she knows very well I care about you. And na mali mfo mara na kuranda and for still kun randa mina bon fuka mdukula pundi nchingela na problem na wena mina mara ku vanhu ndava ni mabyerili ntiyiso ku ana problem na wena and wena i tsakisa vanhu why i nga ni foyineli i ku happy lani ni vona leswi na leswi na leswi why nga ni foyineli phela sweswiwani mina ni fanekele ni hanya vutomi byo laha ni fambaka kona ni vulavula bad hi wena just because of a ni kumi platform ya ku ni ku byela sweswi wa ku ni kwatseni swona mpfolo singula nti ku la swi tiva ku a zanga ni ku betraya mina in life mpfolo then you betray mina because a ni voni xo ni ku betraya xona mina a ni mbali tigushi mina eka kaxi ende ni hanya na vanhu vo tala ngopfu nande lava loko ri kona va adirese timhaka ta mi ku ni hava yini va kota ku ni pfuna mara we loko munhu u n'wi pfunile hamba no kombela 200 ka a yi nga bohi ku ya tsala ku a friend a kombela 200 aka sati wa yena vulavula na vona madam a ndzi tshama ni kombela 200 mina mara sweswiwani but why the some bored because I know this is na swi ta kosta tsakisa vanhu lava nga ku rhandzini u ni kwatsi ngopfu ka and na yi twa sorry ya wena you have said ku you are sorry ni hlamula na loko van'wanyana u ku ni yini a vulavuriwe ni endle screenshot ka swilo leswi ni nga vulavuli swona just to prove it to you ku ri loko swo tshuka swi fika laha ni ta ku M4 this is what I've said but you tend ku no it's fine one undermine i ta ka social media i ta tsala mina i nchingela vanhu va ri yini valala M4 va ri yini valala i tsakisa vanhu va ri yini eka kaxi va ri yini mani phela mina it's not like no chava beef no a ni voni reason ya ku va ni ta yima laha ni le kerekeni mfona amukeli yesu kam wa twisisa loko ni tlhela ni ta yima lahawani ni na mfundhisi ni na community ni na fan base ni na family ni ha vulavula hi ku ri gagash this gagash that yes nkarhi wun'wana enga ya ku phusha ku swi vula but the outcome nkarhi wun'wana yi tsakisi bra mina wena ya vulavula sweswi nga swi vulavula swa ku tala to make them happy most of these followers are not our friends most of these followers they don't even love us most of these people are the people who are here to see us fight and we gain at the end of the day nothing. Mina, I'm not even competing. I'm going to gig. I'm just someone who hosts a gig. And I wouldn't gig away on my game. Tell me one gig you guys end up my game. Tell me one. Tell me one. Maranyamuta the enemy just because of I told you about the businesses. Letting Namagugurinikuti address. If Funana at all, and Mali, we collaborate, we make money. We collaborate, we make money. But when you want to be the one like Makamachwen like this. And I have no problem when you push it like that. But in a push it up, I love you, boy. I care about you, M4. And that's someone who betray let them even talk the other side of their story. Ninge vulavula relation pengi me famba Shoprite nyamutlha fika wa vutisa ku nte yini loko a penga a ta fika Shoprite va ku phila ni nghenela kha vulavula hi wena ku yini mina na ndeka gasha mbuta ku I'm not a friend or maybe you want those maybe those friends va nga na timovha to durha or the machine or whatever I don't have. God's time is the best and when time is right God will make it happen. So na nchumu mara ntava right ni ku jikeli mi we anifake ni vulavula ni ku byele address khale yini but because of people love what we do people love the friendship people love what we do more especially loko hi ya ka social media loko hi za hi live people and batsaka I called Ndlovu. I told him that I'm angry because whatever that you're doing, you're supposed to call me privately. I called 3 people. Ni va hlamuseta ku ri leswi u nga swi endla a swi ni tsakisi Gagash. Vanhu va ka Malamulele, vanhu va ka Malamulele. The next thing mina I can come here. I can come here. A ndzi tshama ni vulavula hi movha wa wena ku ni byela munhu ku ni na nkoka movha wa yena. Mina wena hinfo ni stakeni mina loko ni ta staka N1. Ni endlele live nampundzu the following day la ni nga requesta we talk. Ni ku byela ni ku he Gagashi wena movha wa wena lowu nga ku ntongiseleni ka wona ni yoya ni ya wu koka hi heshe leyi wehe ingo heshe leyiwani i xikorokoro lexi ku kokile. Mara nyamutlha hi leswi u ta ka Facebook bra mina of course a no va na mhloti kumbe no nyenyela bra mina twa ku vava because ni swi vulaka kusuka mbilwini ya mina mfo. Have you got a soft spot here? U swi tiva kahle kam ti-mission leti wena u karhi u ti plana u ti endla hinkwato I was there ka ti-missions ta wena mina and I made them like ti va complete ti-missions ta wena ku nga va ti-missions to nyawula mara you chose me ku ni va kona and I did it right. A ndzi tshama ni ku disappoint even my artist ta PMP a wu se tshama ni ku charge mali mina wo tindlela na problem mina. Mara loko mina ni fanekele ni tshama hansi ni vulavula na wena a wu languta ni yingisela you're too busy, you don't have that capacity to listen to someone. The next thing when u ta ka social media fika posta ku u posta swin'wana na swin'wana vanhu va ta hleka and lava hlekaka hi va wena va laha le mfo. They want to see me fail. Mina nge fail n'wana xikwembu mina. Mina I trust in God mfo. Ni nge fail mina. And aka gaza ni la ku duma hi tigig, la ku duma hi music, la ku duma hi ku yimbelela. La ku duma hi leswi xikwembu xi nga nyika ku ndzi ta swi endla. Loko ri ku tsakisa vanhu will make you guys happy. That's the content that I have. And the content lewe Gagashi nga na yo i ku va wehe i ta ka social media. If I promote the events ta wehe, people go gather and you make business, you make money at the end of the day. And when you have that money, you live life, nice life, soft life. So a swi nga endli ku ri loko se ri na mali I kandziyela mina ni nga ri hava ku mali. Swi nga endli ku loko ri na mali andamina mina nga ri hava ku mali. Mina I'm your friend and I will never betray you and I will never force a friendship aka wena. Loko we ku ri ku yes you declare ku this friendship I'm cutting it off, cut it my friend. But mina ne a ni nge tshuki ni ku xavisini kumbe ni ku yevurini ni to vula leswi nga ni khomu kahle and na sweswiwani swi vula leswi nga swi endla a swi ni khoma kahle u ni fonele ni byela ku swa yi 3 leswi swi nga endla ku ri u nga khomeki kahle. Xin'wana xa kona xikati hlanu swa swi nga trenda swa Jesse u ku njhanjhani mina I was just kidding ku fana na vanhu van'wana ni yo va na badi then you went live ini vula ku incapacity ini vula ku antlharanga sometimes u ni chingela ku na medical aid bro ndapanga na mina we'll have those things man that tshungulwa ma overseas that tshungulwa ma Zimbabwe that tshungulwa ti neighboring countries la ngana the doctor to specialize hi vuvabyi bya hina. That is what we are fighting for in our lives. That is what we're fighting for. We're fighting for prosperity mfo. Loko hi vo hi pfuka hi hala na hala hi pfuka ku hambana hi nghena mukeleni yo hambana hi vuya ku hambana na timali ta hina ku hambana because hi huma ku hambana. I wouldn't be doing gigs just to compete with you, but I will be with you to teach me how to make money through gigs. I will repeat, I wouldn't be on gigs just to compete with you. I will be doing gigs with you so that I will be taught how to do it. Ni kota ku endla mali ku fana na wena mfo. Mina I don't want to be your friend ninga endli nchumu. I want to be your friend in the mali. And I'm not jealous or whatever because whatever the life that you are living now with the wife that you have there, I was there in the first place. She knows me. Hansa kele sukuru sungula imeden and said someone want a problem. And it's not like I don't even nchumu. Na stiva mara una swin'wana as boy ku ni swi vulavula ka vanhu vo ka va nga ri va mina. Loko ni swi vulavula ka vanhu va mina vona va lavula ta ku wena u va rhandza ku tlula mina va fika ku philani u ri vo ni xavisa vona a va ku yini loko mina ni fika ni vula sweswo vo ni xavisa vanhu valava vo ni xavisa vanhu valava. Tshama ni jeleza nchumu swi tiva kahle na wena na tolo poste yindlu ya wena tolo u poste yindlu mi fike ni ku standard set na tihoci kaya mina ni xave ka wena tihoci. You gave me 1 pig, I buy 1 pig. Ni na tihoci ta 2 ta breed ya wena ni fike ni tsakela ke mfo ni lava hoci leyiwani i ni nyika ta hoci ya 1 ni xava ya 1 because tihoci ta wena endla business. A loko no va munhu wo ka nga ri yena vanghana va taka n'wina va kha va lava tihoci va nga xava van'wana na swi tisa ku va nga ti lavi tihoci Mara mina it's a business level going on for a long time. Every week you spend a money shaba swakudya swa tihoci ni supportini na tihoci timbirhi sweswi because of you. Vutomi lebyi byi hanyaka Facebook bra mina. Siku rin'wana ta va hi tshamile nga swi koti no photosa tifoni photosa vatukulu va hina. We must set the good standard to the young generation. Na vana va hina lava taka. That's what I can tell you. Because you know how much I love you, bro. It can't be determined by how much money I have on my bank account. But how much I love you. That's one I'm and already sworn in. Unishabisele phone one, bra mina la. Leo full folder. You gave it to me. I paid. You brought another phone. I paid as well. Because you are my friend. And no problem it hurts. Don't want to pretend. It hurts. It hurts. Talk about him for what I talk about. And that's some problem no way. Look up. And now still also on Gaza itago philani taba a live a stang jaletela ku vitlas hey garage hey ni man, even if I know that's not your vitlas, it's not my business to come and tell the people good that's not your vitlas and gonna win mega fresh. One day I will have those things. It's only the matter of time. But this is going to be a lesson. This is going to be a lesson. It's going to be a lesson. Go. Sometimes, you know, go loyal. As boy, go take a lot of win. And mina. The thing you go, when you say you go, talk about Buga Papa Rulan, and that's someone's on the Papa Rulan. And that line, I think, Levan Vangas for Bulamin, and that's some Papa Rulan in Biffy, or get money and whatever, and that's someone in Biff and get Papa Rulan in one problem. And for he ask where River his career or whatever that is doing. I slap mina, because mina nation is but I failed. So at least if we are together to make sure we revive him, it's not Aslamogema mina. But just one kagash ne, and said someone no problem now, and nukombela kusuksela sweswi untwakani vulavulaka lively. I'm not going to have live. I'm not going to do a live or to prepare a live leyi nga ta ta fika ntlheni hlamusela swin'wana swa muxaka wa so, because I'm hurt mfo. I'm hurt. And I know God will give me power. I know God will uplift me. I know God. No problem. And the reason why I'm too emotional, I think about the good. And for me, expect this, that. I was not even going to get paid. I was not going to have anything for whatever life you live, whether it's good or bad, it's none of my business. As long as I'm not involved, I won't involve myself. Because one thing that I've learned, kuba munhu ava superior iku bifa vanhu, kuba munhu ava superior iku rhuketela vanhu, kuba munhu ava superior iku vulavula nonsense hi vanhu and bully. But me, so I mean unfollow or unfriend me, don't follow me if you like me just because of nabula or because of nachinga. This friendship, I think I need some counseling because of the affected blind when I think about this thing. It's about you, not about me. And friendship, it's about being together. You know, it's about you understanding my plans, my ideas. Put them on the table. This is what I'm thinking to do this week. And then if you are willing to do that, you put a hand or an idea as well. So for me, I don't come to me, you want to be my friend just because of I'm popular or I'm famous. No. Be with me just because of you want to help me to do business that I can have or generate an income at the end of the day. That's the friendship that I want. Oh, please take me out of that circle. And sulab gut involve he said yes, he's sorry. I forgive him. It's fine. We move. But sometimes when I think about the reactions, the next thing, I'm not representing myself. The outside can represent that business. Let's say for me, bully like social media and then kuma what? I will never, ever, ever, ever. Okay, guys, it's fine. About the issue of Gagash, if tomorrow you choose to go on, bully me, talk bad about me, or whatever, it's fine. As long as you guys very happy, it's fine. I won't retaliate. It's fine. It's fine, I won't retaliate. Yes, it's fine. Go live, tell him that shit on your Facebook. But I'm fine. And I pray God bless me and bless him as well. Imagine catechism for like Kula, Aka, as much as Ole the Leswang of Losona. Your mother told me, Kurbananga, work hard, pray, and that's what I'm doing. And for me, no, we've got family at home. They are looking at these things. They will be shown, this is what happened. And Kanyipel, I would like to touch on your case as well. We get into social media. Social media, very kind. Gagash was there, but I would like to say you must stop whatever that you think after someone for the other people who are happy. Because I think that's where you gain the popularity and the followers when you talk bad about others. Now, Gagash, I think others kuma miliyona we live life then because there's nothing lishing at the so yeah, can you tell Gagash with these issues at the beef? Because I've seen Shongi Ranga and Agnes Mabele, the beef is come. I mean, was not beef, but to address. Unfortunately, I tend to be emotional, and I'm very sorry about that. I'm not stupid, just that I'm Biliamina. But it's fine, Gagash. I don't have any problem with you. And even if I can look stupid in front of people just because of Nichabi Kubula, I lose in chumu. But what I know, the truth shall set us free. And as you said, I think we have to live life. We don't have to compete. We don't have to compete. We do have to teach each other how can we do this. Because instead of us collaborating, we are competing. Instead of us working together, we are competing. For what? I don't know. I always have a capacity for people to bring their ideas, you know, like for people to bring those business ideas. At the end of the day, am I right? But Anophuta. Not to say but it's fine, you know, we move. There's a lot of things that's a smaller, but let's just discourage our women. As the manager, PMP, there's a lot. It's just not that deep. I don't want to get into it. There's a lot of things. But I don't want to get into it. But what I know, it's fine. I forgive him. And I won't be talking bad. And I've never talked bad though about him. I'm fine. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Philani Mina, guys. And I'll always love you. I'll always be there for you. I'll always be loyal. I love you so much. Guys, go on with your own data. Talk bad about him. I love you, guys. I love you. And pretend. And if you feel like pretend, you should at least come and say, so I don't talk bad, Mina. I don't. I only do that login in your Vini. But it's fine. Those who are lost, that was not supposed to be your platform, you know. But I think I haven't said it so Monday Kamina. This one fans will really matter. When the time is right, God knows. You know. It's fine. Guys, this is my last word from you. For me. That's why Kanjan. These are my last words from me to you. These are my last words from me to you. I love you, Info. I will never talk or betray you because I'm getting you. And if there's something powerful, I'm so sorry, you feel like forgive me. Yes, I've called, I've talked. I forgive you. I don't have a problem for us to bully each other as we used to do. But in one problem, when you take small things to personal level, into a point where we're supposed to talk in phone, it's a post like a Facebook. Go one round. Start going by Mtiru, but I've said my part. I care about you, my friend, and you will remain a friend, and I will never betray you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. May God bless you. I love you so much. Philani Mina. Tada.